Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security settings, and here scroll down again to find install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a website, from Chrome. So we have to find it in the list and then tap on the switcher next to it. So from now on this option is active. This app is allowed to install some apps, but be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher, or simply tap on deny all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.